1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause it's a bittersweet symphony that's life, trying to make ends meet. You're a slave to money, then you die. I'll take you down the only road I've ever been down. You know, the one that takes you to the places where all the veins meet, yeah. No change, I can change, I can change, I can change, but I'm here in my mold. I am here in my mold, but I'm a million different people from one day to the next. I can't change my mold. No, 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 no. Well, I've never prayed, but tonight I'm on my knees, yeah. I need to hear some sounds that recognize the pain in me, yeah. I let the melody shine, let it cleanse my mind. I feel free now, but the airwaves are clean and there's nobody singing to me now. No change, I can change, I can change, I can change, but I'm here in my mold. I am here in my mold, but I'm a million different people from one day to the next. I can't change my mold. No, 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 no. I can't change it, you know. I can't change it. Cause it's a bittersweet symphony that's life, trying to make ends meet, trying to find somebody, then you die. No, I can change, I can change, I can change, I can change, but I'm here in my mold. I am here in my mold, but I'm a million different people from one day to the next. I can't change my mold. No, 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 no. Do 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 Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this incredible T52 4G. It's a tenor size uke, and it has amazing tone. In fact, it's my favorite ukulele model to play because of how warm and rich and dynamic this instrument plays. And also, the action is low, so it's really easy to press down on those strings. And for the price you pay for this instrument, you're just gonna get a lot of quality that you won't find elsewhere. So really consider checking out this T52 4G. Just click on the link in my description box below, and I promise you won't regret it. Again, thanks so much for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, click on that link right over there. It's gonna take you to another one of my ukulele play-alongs I think you're going to enjoy. Maybe you're gonna grab your ukulele and jam with me, but whatever the case, I look forward to seeing you right over there.